August 26th, 2025. I think it's around like 11:30 a.m. And this is another vlog. It's a raw, unedited 10-minute talk about what is top of mind. And I'm in my hotel room. I just got back from Muay Thai, and I took a shower, and I'm back here like. So this is really like a 10-minute public brain dump and journal, and it's like exciting. It's amazing. I've been doing this for already like 2 years, 3 years, and it's it's like you don't need to think about like what do you have a message, or do you have a purpose, or do you have an agenda of describing something, or do you just like document and play with this new medium that is like YouTube and content creation, video, having access to major platforms. So what's been top of mind? It's always like that question for these journals. So yeah, I woke up like 8:30, did like meditation, and I was like, it's 9 a.m. Do I go to Muay Thai class? Yes. And I went, and then it was really good. And Muay Thai is just like amazing. So, like, there's value in this documenting and like capturing also like all the tons of ideas that I have. Like first of all, like taking this perspective that having AI characters and assistants and everything is like really transformative on a personal everyday level. So that's one thing. And that's like what I'm trying to do and accomplish with like creating like 3D humanoid avatars that you interact with for hours per day. So like seeing like, and like this morning I started with this thought. So yeah, Muay Thai was amazing, and then I took a ride back, and I'm here. And when I started, like the first thought I had this morning was like, nobody teaches you how to believe in yourself, how to find yourself important, how to find yourself valuable. Nobody teaches you that. That's the amazing thing about this world. And that's like the one thing that is like most needed. Because we're all like operating at like really, the average person operates at like just a fraction of their potential. And this delicious like protein shake is like part of the daily routine, like to go to the gym or go Muay Thai and then drink the protein shake. So Muay Thai was amazing. And yeah, and this thought is like, in this public journal, it's like I get to play with ideas, like this idea of what does it mean to believe in yourself and value yourself, and then it's like that's like the really fascinating thing about human beings, and like how we like operate. We are really programs. We are programs. We are loops of habits, of thoughts that are just programs. And then it's like, if you have a state of a program, it's like the state. And then it has a kind of a property in that it's like affects all of the other aspects of its existence. It's kind of attribute. And that's why it's like what you believe about yourself, that's your state. And then it has a kind of impact on everything else. And that impact is a kind of like a frequency. So it's kind of like, how do you like communicate this? Like, hey, you as a conscious being, you can have a state. You can be programmed to behave in a certain way by having these beliefs, or like, no, you behave in a certain way based on the beliefs that you hold. So this is like the real core power of a human being, is like believing. It's like, what do you believe to be true? That dictates how you act. That colors every action decision you make. It's what you believe. What do you believe about yourself, your story, your abilities, your value. That's a really interesting part. Finished it, and like the space of this public journal, the vlog is like an exploration. That will be a vlog episode. So this is an interesting new kind of format of a content creator. Like talk to a public, talk to your video camera for 10 minutes per day as a public journal. Like there's the concept of the morning pages by the Artist's Way, and this is kind of similar. But it allows you to create a record, and then like once you have a track record, you can play with creating different loops and like reprogram yourself about what you believe, and what you believe yourself to be, and what you believe to be important, and what you believe to be your place in the world. So I really see becoming a YouTuber as like a really like breaking the matrix kind of move. Like as an entrepreneur pursuing like your vision, documenting that every step of the way has layers of benefits, and then you build this long tail of content that lives on. So I have maybe like 2 more minutes, and another thing I've been just thinking about, like FPV filming. Like I feel a strong calling to get to my FPV drones and pick them up and start taking a drone filmmaker career seriously. Like it's fun, side quest. Or is it a side quest? But another thing is, like every morning I was just like, this morning I was like, I need to build a hardware startup. I need to build a AR glasses startup. Like I have to like really make it happen, make my mind really believe and see myself as an entrepreneur that has created several like really impactful companies. Like, and like we have the capability to do this through our skills of being like using programming, like coding apps. You can code an app really fast and make it really good and impact millions of people. If you're able to create this piece of software that allows people to make a shit ton of money, that kind of like impact that you have, and it's like trying to make that happen, visualize that. And me and my story and my personal brand is like looking at all the pieces that are like needed to be like creating these giant, like impactful organizations and tools like an AI agent marketplace that allows you to configure new agents and like sell digital products on crypto, and so like services. So like what I did at like Denver, and so like doing hackathons is like it wakes you up to like, oh shit, I can really build anything. And then you do 100 hackathons, and then you're like, what do I build? And that's part of my story. It's like, what do I build next? Okay, so now it's like 10 minutes, and it's been a really good morning. I was like, that 2-hour Muay Thai session, you gotta imagine, is so it pushes you to your limit. Like, for 2 hours you're pushed to your physical limit. So me being like so full, like, and then I got an Americano after that. So I had like pre-workout and then the Americano. It was like a lot of caffeine. So that was a lot of exercise. It was like your body's like really pushed to the limit. It's like beautiful. I love that. Muay Thai is really good. And like I was just thinking like this is like a critical component of a healthy lifestyle is like doing combat sports. And then I was just thinking like you cultivate this, like the real key, most important thought of today was like really about being like fighting as like a real tool, like practice that like impacts all of other areas of your life. And one of the most important areas of like your self-development and your personal like growth and self-awareness is knowing what is important to you, knowing what how to value yourself. And that's like a litmus test that I've a few times like in my life it was like really picked up, like what do you think of yourself? Like, do you think you're important? Like, do you value yourself? Do you think you're important? Like your feelings, your wishes, your desires. Like if you practice martial arts, you realize that you have to like take care of yourself and you have to like value yourself and that you are important, and that it cultivates this strength, this inner strength, and this like ability to like know what's real for you, like what's important for you, like what you feel, like what you can do. So like Muay Thai is super important, and then like recording it and like looking back at your training sessions is like really good. So that's why like also like having an AI Muay Thai trainer that can see your videos is like super important, and then like a companion that you can discuss everything with. It's like it's like a game changer. So that's really what I'm building with Lumi. So Lumi is all about creating these AI, it's a platform for creating these AI agents that like a Muay Thai trainer or a crypto degen advisor. All of these are can be configured on this AI agent marketplace that you can sell and you can use. And Lumi is really about like bringing all these AI models, making them really accessible to as many people by like doing internationalization and providing all the available models, all the APIs, all in one place with one price, and all of your context, all of your AI journal, your daily journaling, your daily video calls with your AI team, your access with your AI team that manages every aspect of your life. Like visualizing this and then like making the sci-fi a reality, that's really my job right now. And that's my day job. That's like my 9 to 5. So part of the vlogs on here is like reminding myself like what I'm about, what's important to me, like all these things like I can talk about like what are like top of mind. Those are important, like personal life, it's really important, like your personal life, and then how that feeds into your kind of purpose, your larger professional purpose. Do you want to have a body of work? Do you want to have some kind of contribution? You know, you really can be a brilliant AI maker or AI app maker. Or if you're a writer, you can be a writer. You can be a filmmaker. But Conrad, what you're up to is you're building AI apps, right? You've been a coder for almost 10 years. Like, you've been to like probably over 100 hackathons. Like, that's what you're about, building AI apps or just apps or software apps, tools, building the new paradigms of computing as technology evolves, being aware of the history of computing, which you self-studied a lot about, and that's what you can go deeper into in your YouTube channel about the history, like the important books, like the books like Hackers by Stephen Levy, and Crypto by Stephen Levy, and Masters of Doom, and Where Wizards Stay Up Late, and JCR Licklider, all these books and more. So ending it here, I probably went to like 15 minutes now. But as always, ending the vlogs with a couple moments of sending peace and love, thoughts and vibrations to you, the listener. May you be free from pain. Peace.